It's Monday morning namhlanje sikhuluma podcast ngaphasi komthunzi welanga la edrobheni. Angifuni ukusho ukuthi singakuphi edrobheni. Mawukwade edrobheni mawubona i-background ukuthi singakuphi. Nemfowethu lana senza part 2 namhlanje. We did an episode last week. So namhlanje senza part 2. He got a lot of things enhlizweni yakhe, empilweni yakhe lezimenzekalako, namaphoyisa semva kwakhe and everything. Uzokhuluma yena ukuthi what's happening. My brother, ungifonela i-weekend yonke. Ya ngithi ngiyalala uyafona, ngithi ngiyalala uyafona, ngiyalala uyafona. And phela mina ngilala during the day. Ebusuku angilala grand. So ngilala during the day. My brother, how's it? Asiqale lana because I give you the number your sisters manje bathini social worker. Anitholananga.
No, still Tolana on the line. Apparently,
but you never met me.
Yeah, we haven't met face to face.
Yeah.
So, but the people in the other guy.
Yeah.
Skulumile mina naye first Ivana.
Yeah.
And then we will take it from there. Logo good.
Yeah.
And like mina when I'm fit,
yeah.
Ngizawami khona ezinye izinto the reason bengithi senze leya first episode. Leya first episode wena awuthambe ngiyenziswa ukuthi kunezinye izinto njengoba ngishilo kasekuqaleni ukuthi uyakhona ukwenziswa, uyakhona ukucontrolwa. Kahle it's not that with me I was exposing my life.
Yes.
But I was trying to help out all the guys out there who cannot speak.
Yes.
And laba bangazwakali. You know ukuthi ibuhlungu lento ukuthi ngithi ngitshela istory. Kule story sami mina engize naso bese wena ufuna ukumamela lokhu ocabanga ukuthi kufanele kuziwe nguwe, forgetting to listen the whole story as it is. Yeah. So in short, uma ngithi mina umuntu uyenziswa awuthiyami. Lapho kuningi okwenzakalako kunobu these are sort of teachings. Number one, kunobu hypocrisy. Kunobu selfishness, kune abuse, kunebu recklessness khona lapho kuningi. Sisazokhuluma ngako after some time. But now what I'm trying to tell you is that imbaqambili umuntu njengoba akucontrola mina mfethu kusho ukuthi manje bengikule group yalabantu labo ukuthi bayacontrola njenge remote. Apparently mina le remote yami kusho ukuthi bekusetshenziswa le yanqosi le yangike sakhuluma ngayo ku first episode. Cabanga ke bengicontrola lo mntana sesemncane at the age of around 2. Kusho ukuthi ngamanye amagama mina uma wenqosi ngibekisa bekakwazi ukuthi angigaye ispan. Angitholele ispan for instance. Na kanjani definitely kufanele ngiyospana. Awuthama uthola ukuthi lapha ngospana khona akusi ispan esilegend. Ispan esimadala side. Mara because ngoba ngikhonjiwe ngigcine ngespan. Okay right, nangabe sikhathi ukubheka in short, I'm just giving a rough example. Ubani isigebengu lapho kimi nawe nangabe wena mhlambe siyangithuma wena utendwa nasi le school bag or in hambo dayisa ngale kanti school bag mina ngitshontshe ngale. Uma sikutholakala kuwe ubani utshontshile?
Lo ntshontshe lo sibambe.
Kanti uma kuphuza unga.
Yebo ngani sibamba lo phethelele. Yes, we don't know what's happening. Vele ngithi uwo lo ntshontshe.
And lo ntshontshe lo simbambe nale item kusho ukuthi singana kumbulala nokumbulala.
Vele ngani lo sithole nale dulazi vele uye lesifinayo.
So then my point is exactly when I'm fit. Njengoba bengibekisa nge-school bag into encane. Kunezinto ezihrwedi umuntu akhona ukucontrola ngazo, umuntu angakutholela even ispan straight njengoba ngibekisa ngespan.
Take us back deep.
Yes.
Because there are a lot of things of news keeper yabo. Even if ungabe specific ngamagama
wena mfethu. Bafethu kahle la ngifuna ukunitshela ukuthi bafethu asibeni careful. Abo my sister la ngaphandle. Yebo siyabathanda abafazi bethu. Abo mama bengane zethu, abo auntie, abo gogo. Bafowethu, abo bobhuti, abo baba nabomkhulu nabomalume nezintwana zethu. Asibe nama example. Ngicela ukuthi senzeni into right. Mina angikase ngishaya umfazi. Number 1, number 2 angase ngibe isigebengu. Yazi ukuthi why? Ungadonsa istroke sami from ngisesemncane. Uyothola ukuthi mhlambe from ubugebengu mhlambe nangabe ngibenzile ngenziwe from lo nyaka lo ngidibana no sisters uzothini lapho. But then for instance how will one know? How will one prove ukuthi mina ngiyacontroller at that time if no one is coming closer to me and ask me in the correct way? You understand? Angisho ukuthi kunjalo, I'm just giving a rough example. Hayi ukuthi lento le yenzeka kimi kuphela. Komunye nomunye oyi-out. La ngaphandle siyalimala samadoda. Siyahlukumezeka. Mfowethu namanje uma ungathi uyabheka abafowethu njengoba mimi laphana, omunye nomunye ukhuluma ngokuthi umama endlini wenza so uyaqhamuka wena uphethe into e-right ukuthi ngiphile endlini. Mara umuntu uthatha ukubheka u-expect just a simple cup of coffee, mhlawumbe bakuphendule ngenye indlela. Uqhamuka uphethe umsebenzi enzima wherever la uqhamuka khona. Ungaqhamuka uphethe izinto ezikhosta like a supper on a Friday, a nice supper on a Friday. Probably you said, okay guys, we're gonna go out, and then nihambe niyodla out. But umanibuya immediately umangena endlini uyakhona ukuthi akuthethise phambi kwabantwana. Yabo manje that's because they got their own excuse. Now it's too bad. Truly speaking, as even honest, in a month's time, inyanga ina 30 days. Ngoba la 7 days usesikhathini lo muntu angohappy nayo. Ngiyabuya ngibala another 7 days usa-recover nyana. Kuleya 7 days leyaba yena unamawuzi wakhe ukwatile. Ofithi in a month's time isina 7 days obu-happiness. And kule 7 days obu-happiness angeke ube happy ngoba uyoba only 3 days happy. Ngile ohole kuyo. Uma ungenamali you will never be happy man bafowethu angeke. Abafowethu la ngaphandle niyasebenza man. Siyaphanda sonke mara uba happy wena from nge-25 na uhola up until nge-6. Nge-7 ngale sekuyanyini. Up until nge-20 something again.
Yahlukumezeka emshadweni.
And kabuhlungu. And manje awuhlukumezeki kakhulu njengalo muntu bangihlukumeza estradini baze bakushaye in out yami. Yazi uhlukumezeka kanjani ngento encane. Uyakufika endlini wena. Ayinanga sisters. Ngiyamcela my baby. Hayi man ngicela just ngilulele ngithi ngiphuthume shower fast. Ayithatha alibeke phekwe ironing board. Athathe iron ayibeke lapha esayidini ayiplug on. Bese uyaphuma uyangale ngaphandle. Na ubuya wena udawa my sister manje phuka le iron soliyashisa lapha na usang iron like bengisese busy no tapsile ngale fencing na 1 2 3 ngamagawn. At that moment when ujahe somewhere obvious ngeke umyekise uyoqhubeka ku-iron. Lento leyo out yami kuwe as an out, it's a small thing for her. She will forget by 9 o'clock she will do. Wena ngeke uzukhohlwa uyothuma ubuya even na late whatever into encane uzocela amanzi. Mabebe ubuye emsebenzini ukhathele uyafika mabebe sweet mesikade amani just glass of water. No angiboni ukuthi ngiyapheka nangabe kumZulu or umSwati nangabe kumTswana or njalo awuboni uriyaphi kanjalo nangabe kumshangane awuboni shop ngilekushwekeni bayibona like wena kuwe as a out into encane leyo every day iloku yakha njengestina uma bakha indlu and then la uthi umbiza khona kufanele nikhulume bese kula yena aqala khona ukuthi wena so uyamhlukumeza lapho so wena uyini uyi-perpetrator yena sekayi-victim whereas yena uqala ukwenza ama-movement kuqala nokukhuluma kabi estradini kugijima yena yabona. That's what happened mfethu in my life. It's tough bra. Okay now I'm happy ukuthi my sisters she's helping me out there and there yabo and but kunezinto ezenzakele ke empilweni yami. There are some bogus people yabona manje ngiyakhuluma straight nanikhona ngibulaleni bafethu nginqume mani nangabe nikhona yabona. Ngike ngadriver mina abantu abazenza amaphozi kuyafana vele namhlanje nginendawo uyayibona lento. One of them yilabo bafike bakhipha umntanami le kulesa sigela out yami sihlala semkasi vele kuyafana namhlanje ngaba banqumile mara nizobe nazi I've told the whole wide world la ngiphethe ama-documents la ma-fake some of them aka-sisters yabona from that first episode ngitshela ngithi lo muntu she's been controlling me, you understand. So then kuke kwenzakala mina ngize ngithi ngithusa ukuthi how can lo muntu lo wake wangitholela ispani ngayo spana somewhere kuthiwa ngiyasebenza namhlanje the very same bantu labo ngispana nabo engingakase even in-office lakhona ngilibona ugcina kuyibo abahamba naye bokhipha mina ngingaphakathi esontweni ukwabona babuye bahambe bokhipha ingane e-boarding school le yayibona ngibuye uma ngithi ngiyayiripota lento ibe slow yazi kimi emqondweni kwenzakalani sosa-out ngize ngithi ngilokhu abusele uma ngibona abafowethu laba amaphoyisa bayenza slow izinto ngibese ngithi mina how laba they dragging their legs because they're on the same page nalaba ya and lokho ngikusho hayi ukuthi ngikusho kuwe kuphela ngike ngakusho ngise-police station lathi iphoyisa kimqhake futhi wena musu ukuthi we dragging our legs ukuthi thina siyasazi isipaniseti don't tell us what to do by Monday because on that day sikhuluma it was on a Friday wathi uzothini by Monday uma wengane uma ilethile ngathi kuye mina uzothini wena nangabe angayilethanga na wathi let's give a benefit of a doubt. At least bafundile labantu, mina ngiyangesigela ngithola nje khona la estradini mangithola phepha la. Right. Yafika iMonday kwaba2. Ngasaba ukubuyela epolice station thami ngiyabo makhotini bangithumela khona kwabandoda. So ngikhaza ukuthi ngamanye amagama why kanti abafowethu baba in favor of abantu besifazane. Mina ngike ngakhipha incwadi yes ebuye court ngabona ukuthi police yasiphosa litheni lithe lena incwadi asesontweni ayisebenzi. Ngingakubonisa nanawo ngikubonisa bese ngitshela ukuthi lo magistrate ubhale church or religion la ngathu kune mfethu ngazohleka kulo warrant engiphethe la nalama protection whatsoever ngaphethe la ubhaliwe lapha straight ku-include umntana kufaka nabantu lokuthi ungezi uhlasele lo muntu lona nabantu yilo kakwenzile lokhu bakujampile. So mina ngomqondo wami ngize ngithi ngiyahlukumezeka lokho vele kuyinhlukumezo automatically ngoba mina no one is listening to me, they only listen whatever they want to hear. Lokho kubalulekile, they don't take attention kuko. So then nami ngigcina ngibadideka ngiconfuse ngithola ukuthi umuntu okufanele afe alimali yimi because then uzo-expose ezinye izinto. Ngizibuza ukuthi le badge mina labafowethu laba engithakanise le badge bayithola.
Uthi lo sisters wakuthola umsebenzi onjani?
Even driver mina mfethu. Driver amaphoyisa bama-VIP, I don't know because they got badges. I thought I mean they are.
So mama nenza njani uyongena ku-interview kwenzekalani? How do you get the job?
Yeah, at the first day.
Wani lo msebenzi from first day kwenzekalani?
Okay, first day I had my own car.
Yes.
Bangitshela ukuthi awuzothola ispan ku-easy. Yabo wena you just drive around because mina
With your own car?
Yes, my own car because nginayo. Yabo. Ngathi uma kunemoto yakho kulula at least uhola ngconywana.
Okay.
Yabo. Nankinga. Kwaba ngiloko. Ngaqala
Mama ubani ukufaka emsebenzini kanjani phela ngifuna ukuyi-understand
connection ka-sisters, connection
bathi
ka-method.
ngumsebenzi wani we-driving udrayivelela ini
Yeah, ma-private investigators, maphoyisa.
but maphoyisa
Sort
nayo
of like bahambisana negenge yama-hawks into kanjalo.
mara musi maphoyisa nayo documentekayo
Yes.
private futhi.
Exactly.
So wena tosikaza bo-blank
No.
you never question all of those things.
Yeah, all they told me ukuthi it's like a training.
Yeah.
Umufika la we train you and then from there you will go to, we're going to take you to a certain school in Tefananale and then from there senior spana uyabona, but they must teach you the locations and how do they operate.
But did you went to the training?
Oh, ngoba ngayeka mina lento ngayibona ngakhuluma ngathi mina kusemoto amayisaclash la.
Okay my man,
Yeah.
first day kwenzekalani? First day nangu sisinaso kuhlanganisa nabantu, akuna interview, akuna CV, is nothing.
Mina first day uma bangitshela ukuthi ngahamba ngayohlangana nalabantu la ngihlangana nabo khona. So ngabalayisha ne.
Ngihlangana ku elokishini, edrobheni.
Yeah, elokishini.
Yeah.
Uma ngibathatha la ngibathatha khona like kufana nomuntu athekele indoda ngicela ufike sihlangane nami T Junction so ngo7.
So sisters ukhuluma nawe namhlanje asindaba yakusasa. Understand le nto le.
Yeah, asithi bangibeka elightini kuthanda.
Yeah.
And then kudlule one day maybe the third day lesson something like that.
Now uyahamba vele kwazi. You don't
Yeah,
even question.
no.
Because uyamthemba lo muntu wakho.
Uyangithola and on the other hand
Yeah.
kukhona ezinye izinto okufanele uziphikise. Uyabona kunomehluko nawo ngokuthi ngithi kuwe emfethu kunespan lapha ngifuna uyomarket nokuthi ngithi kuwe excel kunespan lapha hamba uthuna lespan lesando kangisho yabona ukuthi siyabhayisiseka la hamba uthuna lespan uyayizwa lento syndicate u-adjustekile wena madala side ukhumbule on the other hand mina lo muntu ngimazi iminyaka eminingi
uthi ngibhayiseka mayelana nani financial
sengisho empilweni angisho masifika ngalapha ngisengakatheshi kuze avoid ukuthi ngingabhayisiseki so-ke kuba kanjani namfethu kuba lento ukuthi uyatshelwa uyabona ya ukuthi hayi man hamba uyothuna lesipani ngoba mina ngifrayizile isipani esikanjani hayi hamba uyosithuna lesawuthi uyabona nawo udibana nabantu abaso vele ngibamitha abantu but okay sibamitha mhlawumbe ngaba-7 so ekuseni abafethu okay isipani sikanjani akekho angisho yena usela kayi kosipana mina yimo uyomithela abantu ngesipana la uma ngibamitha abafethu bangena emotweni bhubhu inyanga okay Tita mamela
last
hayi nithikini enye ikhona yona
ayingathi magic 2 magic cherry 1 kanjani
yeah ngathi by 2 magic ithikini leyi-1
3 ngawo
yeah 2 magic by ithikini leyi-1 yes okay uma ngingena sesiyaphuma bangitshela mfethu siphuma so siya kwelinye idorobha kanjela kanjalo incanyana okay Tita yathi lawo
man ngicela ukubuza labantu mamitha first day so uyosebenza first day
uma ngifika
angavumelanga ngemali anazi ukuthi usebenza ini nani nani.
No, lokho angisho ngifrayizile uma ngifika lapha. Okay bafethu khambani but okay sokuchazela along the way angisho isikhathi. Is angisho sengikhulumile nabo over the phone and then sengirelaxile and on the other hand ukhumbule izinto nangabe ngithunywa ngiloya muntu you under gunpoint, you must remember that thing bro. Ngilwela ukuthi ngisave usmall uyangithola
umsave uthini small ukuthi uzomthatha yena kumbe
anything can happen bro. Uma ngahamba ngibuye baphishile boyithunga uzothini ngoba la uko angitshela uyayibona uyangithola. I will have to do anything bro. I will have to do anything especially ekhulunywa nguye nomuntu bengingambulala mos uma bengangithuma thamba ubulala sibani uyayibona
yini thando kumbe yini
ngisave intwana yami mina
ukuthi uzoyithatha lentwana.
Anything can happen to the boy according to from her words to me.
Ukuthreatenisha
waya futhi
ukubamba ngama-balls. Okay
kuze ubone example that is why esikoleni kukhonela ukumkhipha angakaqedanga nethema and akusiko kucala.
So niyamithana first day nalamajita bathe sokhuluma along the way imali konke nivumelene ngavumelana
like okay listen to this bangena ekareni nabafethu akuna-stress okay bangitshela mfethu siye-drop so akunankinga angisho ukuthi got enough time along the way.
Then petrol ubuzi.
No, listen.
Okay, I'm listening. Okay, let me give you a chance. Okay.
Now we're in the car. We're driving along. And we're still heading to the garage or whatsoever. So la nje update ngisho ukuthi mfethu lana sipaneka kanje. Wena uya drive. Siyakutshela ukuthi uma la kanje uma udriver wena thina we are the one who giving you orders.
Instructions,
Yes. It's mean okay sipatalana kanjani, how do we get paid? But it depending ukuthi wena performance yakho but anyway siyobuka sokurate thina yabona le supervisor lehleli phambili vele ngiyo ngiyayibona vele yabo akunankinga siphuma wena mfethu siyahamba sekulele dorobha lelo elincanyana bayasala la bayithengisele no-1
angakhona kulibiza le dorobha
well
has a view with bank
one of ukuthi kusho wonke la madorobha siwahambile man
yangikhuluma nga-first day.
The first thing I look was it could be Light Town or White River or right. Uma sifika vele kulelo dorobha hayi bangitshela mfethu bakangala ngifake baphuma laba bayi2 ngisala nalo yi1 mina baphuma bahambe after boma 10-15 minutes or so yafona lo munye uyangidirect indoda hamba imalana nyama. Okay, mara kukhona la sifika sipaka khona sesibopha labantu laba bakhipha amabheke. Okay right, mina njengoba nginangi sesokuprofession wena mfethu yabo. Bafika laphayana vele kuyakhishwa amabheke nabantu bayaboshwa kuyakhulunywa le case le bayendile ngale mina lengakayibona ngisho mina car.
Nime emgwaqeni ndanithola emgwaqeni abantu
bathola somewhere along like in town njengala uthola ukuthi labantu sibabopha njengalaba bamile bayathi bona ukuthi uma sifika thina nti babakhetha abantu ba yabo fika bakhathi vele kube ngiloko sibababopha. Okay bababopha kanjani bangena nabo la emotweni but naye lo muntu lo esihamba naye ukhona laphayana yabo lo siqhamuke naye from elokishini
ngiqhamuke ni3 nalo yi1 naye ngathi soboshiwe
uyabona right. Hayi mina ngisho manje ngisafuna ukuthola istory la ngaphakathi except ungahleka uma ngakutshela ukuthi kwenzakalani but anyway it's not for me to ukwenza lokho yabo sengisho ukuthi lento ngizosiphinga ngoba manje they part of her yonke lento lena kusho ukuthi it's her connection and nguma ngithutha back and reverse back zonke izinto ezenzakalayo empilweni yami ezibhedayo izam include lo yamuntu. So mina ngikuthi ngisho kanje ngoba ngi-expose yena but abafowethu omunye nomunye kusasa kuyenzakala kuye lento lena nizohleka ngibone kwangazi ukuthi mina I'm trying to expose ngibhari or ngisinayo or ngihlule kumele izinto mina ngiphakamisa isandla yabona into engiyenzayo I just wait ngibe patient enough kwenzakala izinto mfethu ngisiphushile leso span.
Okay sorry now niyambopha lo muntu niyababopha nimbopha nale muntu le niqhamuke naye
yes.
So wendeni lo muntu loboshayo
bona baqhamuka sebakhuluma ngale case leyo ukuthi ngale mhlambe kuphulwe ifenster or kuntshontshiwe bababonile labafana or whatever that dulas labayithathile ngalena and then from there la ngaphakathi emotweni uma sebathatha ama-information wabo that's why nami ngidideka khona ngoba ngapha ukhumbule mina ngiyadirector ngiyangena la phuma la ngena la mala okay manda uyehla lo oboshwe nalo engimaziyo isiqhamuke naye.
Okay lo yi1 mjidi uyahamba uyalena mabase babuye sebabobophe boyithu sebangena ekarini
yabona
yeah
uma bangena so uma balungisa le supervisor lehleli phambili uma busy bakhuluma nale case la sekufanele siye police station njengoba kufona kanjani kuyafona kuthiwa okay lo oyi-1 oboshiwe ubekwa lapha phansi siyahamba thina samshiya kuthiwa singiyolanda ivene epolice station. Unfortunately angibuyi ngibuza mina ukuthi awukane police station asiyi or office bekuphi yabona
hayi man sorry ngikubamba ngikhoze mina kuhamba kahle lo nimbophile nithi lapha kuye nakhipha imali adize kumbe kwenekaleni kumbe namhandcuff kwenekalani
ama-handcuffs abanawo mara bayakhipha because unama-ridings banama-envelope akhona ama-envelope la brown bayakhipha izinto tabo batifake laphaya loya bayamnika envelope yakho uma sebabhale idocket mfethu lo lale supervisor ngiyo lebhala ama-date nani ama-document la
so tot labantu vele banemaqala vele or akunacala lokuthi nimbone i-petty crime nenangathi maphoyisa nambawa phakame njani track understand le part
angisho le part leyo mina ngisuka ngiqhamuka sebaboshi
okay makangena apha phakathi ekarini kanjani manje sinyolanza iveni nimshiye laphana nemuntu lomunye kumbe mvele niyamshiya nekusona nihamba nisiyabuya
uthola ukuthi kuba khona noma ebus stop kuthiwa indoda mani la ubrika mina wena sabuya uma sihamba ngase mina ngiyabuta uma sesihamba uma ngifake u-1 ngiyabuta okay manje siyakuphi ngifake elinye elilandelayo but hayi njengoba sisuke lapha kuthiwa se-police station ngithi okay siyakuyi-police station kuthiwa ndoda aphuma ngala mhlawumbe uba ngiphuma ngala kuthiwa okay sesiyeshop ngesinye isikhathi sekuyathengwa or ngesinye isikhathi ukudla
lo muntu sokukhipha imali ngifuna ku-understand le point lo muntu ukhipha imali ukuthi bangambophe manje
vele obvious ngilo
bamdizisile
exact wena mfethu laphana ngisebenzile mina December January February ngayibalekela lento ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi ungibopha
lo nyaka lo
2024 yini khona lapho kuma 2023 or 2024 yini ngayibona ukuthi lento iyongishisa le mina ngisingile si-type yami
ngimaphi lama imasini lebi ka-heavy wabona ukuthi la heavy la
kona laphayana kwenteka into leyi-1 just ukuthi ngoba ngale angiboni ngoba mina ngisuke ngihleli ngale mara ngoba kuqhamuka nomuntu bavele sibayababopha uma siqhamuka sifika lapho uma sengibreaka vele kube yobona nemoto yambe inama-siren ngiyakutshela ukuthi manje bezoba vele imadlanga straight ngoba kahle vele bekushoda ama-siren yabona mina uyabona ngiqhamukele ejoza yami ngijalile ukudrayiva kwangale sokuthi nale endleleni yebo ngiyazama kushesha nakhona ngikhuluma kanje ngoba sengizama ukuphephisa impilo yami vele vele ngahle ngibulawe ngibo laba fethu laba ngisipane nabo ngoba vele ngibone lo sister lo
angeke bakubulale because the story the information I see that deep because like mangithi ngiya-check kude lo expose akho lo deep mina mangithi
yathi inkinga ikuphi inkinga ikuloya muntu olimele angisho mina
njengomuntu olimele
not ukulimala as in physical lo olimele laphaya lo shiwayo yabona uma uthathela i-10 rand uyalimala let's say ngikupha i-example njengoba mina bengidrive angisho I'm not familiar with the span lesi what if mina maybe okay lapha bangitshela vele i-dress code ugqoka formally most of the time ugqoka ibhruku elimnyama or ishirt elimhlophe yabo into efana nalo you have to be formal uyagunda yonke into yabo anginankinga but mhlambe mina kunento le bengingatendi enough kuze mhlambe uthole what if sengibekisa ukuthi what if kula ma-client labo bawabopha or letigebengu ukhonile ukurecognize out-drive and then what if mhlambe lo muntu danke mina bengingakhiphi i-number plate ngoba ngijauthi ukuthi sipande straight and i-number plate into egama mina okay right what if lo muntu loyo wena mfethu ukhonile ukungirecognize mina sekafuna kupay revenge or ufuna tinto takhe or nangapha indoda ngisho or umfazi what if same madam yakhe yamphusha the way same or omunye same either way sekufanele kutholakala lo muntu lo-travel bathi clubs bangibona na kuphela lento lena mfethu igijima the whole wide world uma sibabona laphana sobani ofunakalayo and then ukuze angithole fanele ngenze njani ngoba there's no concrete case uselaphayana ukuthi ovula icase ngalokho kufanele ngibulale madala
sakhe labantu sola wathi ukuthi bendeni mina that's the thing
ngale
ukuthi le muntu nimthole ukuthi bathi uthengisama drugs lana kumbe njani ufuna that point leyo
uyathi kwenzakalani uma bafika ekarini bangahle bafike bakhulume isitori sokuthi hayi bangahle bafike bakhulumele ekarini ukuthi hayi nina nibonile ngale no2 labafana babaphula maybe imoto yomlungu thizeni wathi uma baphuma nababona bathatha ibag nemali iphi le mali le enye ewile laphaya ngoba wena uyibonile mhlawumbe into efana nale bese uyasho lo athi hayi nayi le mali bayikhiphe vele ibakhona imali thola ukuthi isishumba so I don't know how to sengisho la emotweni aveza athi nayi imali yabona lesiyithole laphaya bese kuthiwa okay ifakwe envelopini I don't know ukuthi le mali le itholakala kanjani but usually iyatholakala kubo laba babajiwe kuthiwa le mali leyo ngiyo leniboshelwe yona ngale mina niyibonile nayithanda and then uma sebafika laphaya kusho ukuthi le tinto lepa bathathela dona uma le supervise iloku ibhala yabo ngoba ngapha iyabhala i-young director futhi ngena la phuma la ngena la imali lo yabona kusho ukuthi lapho lethe lo muntu lo mhlambe ngiyabekisa what if basebenzile bomasinini kwatholakala ifoni let's say kuyenteka wena ifoni yakho ifile nini wena you don't know uthi uyathi nginenkinga yefoni angitholakala ifoni
kulima le story sakho lesikwendeka leni ngoba ifoni
sengikubekisela kanjalo let's say kulesipande sikukasebenzeka kuphi ngisebenzile no into bengayinaka ukuthi na bafoni nini igcina seyingala kubo yabo uthola ukuthi ngisebenza njengoba namhlanje kuyimonday isipanele boma Friday one of the phones ya Friday wena ifoni yakho ikhawatheke over the weekend bese by Monday bakufonela utholakala nakuze utholakale kufanele bakunike ifoni bathathe one of the phones le bensebenzisayo bayithole ngale bakunika yona uSpanish without even knowing wena usebenzise openly kanti thothi umnika ifoni mhlawumbe uyabona kulefana le ugcina wena soba senkingeni kwangazi ugcina sowuzingelele that is what is happening according to kule scenario le and on top of that bese usester unokungisendela ama-SMS athi yena udayidenile bakupostile in kulapho ngize ngithi mina uyabona lo muntu lo usebenzisana nalabantu laba abagangako
wena manje
mina kuze mina ngibe at fault so that mina I can get arrested or she could do anything because ukwangithembisa ukuthi angangibulala ukwangithembisa ukuthi angangibophisa and uyahluleka uzama by all means ukuthi to drag me down to chop me down and all.
So wena there's a phone labakunika yona
ispanisa way back
and manje
I think
hunter back lento le
kubonakala kwangazuthi mina lokungithola kanjani ngaye sisters unokungisendela ama-SMS angitshela ukuthi hey wena bakufuna kuphi so mina ngizibuza ukuthi nangabe upostile then how can they batshele yena why yena kuwumuntu okuqala kwathi le information leyo number 1 number 2 nangabe kuukuthi mina njengoba ngizonda why akhethe ukungitshela ukuthi kunabantu abafuna ukungibulala number 3 why akhethe ukungitshela ukuthi kunabantu abafuna ukungikhawaza whereas mina kangithanda
bathi bafuna ukukubulalelani bafuna ukubophelana
ukukhawaza I don't know
wena mawuhleli phasi maso analyze nawe mawubuya kuma-doctor
leyo i-straight out jam la angihambise khona my sister la bekangenzisa khona lento zakhe and yena ngafahlaka ne vele kulapho uyokubhomeka yonke lento le ngoba le scheme sakhe lesibekahamba naso naye she was part of the bogus. I'm saying this because I'm trying to be honest njengoba ngisho ngithi ngi-honest yabona bengenziswa ukuthi mina ngikhonjiwe mfethu ngisave inqosi yami bengenza ndatshuka bongenza noma ngabe yini athi mtoto wena ungenza noma ngabe yini bakwenzisa uyangithola bengenziswa akuthiyami uyangithola ngigcina ngidrive abantu aba-wrong ngikhasha abantu aba-wrong ngithi uma ngiyeka le sipani ngibuye ngi-adjuste futhi uyabona kahle kahle enye into eyangisave mina kule sipani lesiya ngoba vele bekusebenza ngenkani ukuthi ngakhuluma uma ngangithi imoto yami ifile fortunately enough uNkulunkulu ngoba mkhulu ile time ngiyothola lesasipani lesiyana bengitshela ngathi sasesigela kayikani uyangithola so now abafowethu la ngaphandle vele ngisuke ngi-abuseka which is abuse and ngapha lo my sister usebenzisa ubu-hypocrisy yabona that's hypocrite because now uze nge-clean sheet ngapha but she's stabbing me on the back usebenzisa the very same how can you use the same enemies le ngicabanga ukuthi awami and then on the other hand yet they are her friends yabona bekube nikuthanga ukuthi bekwama-colleagues wami wow uyayibona le nto things like that and lezi zinto lezo wena mfethu vele unika ukulimala uyabona and mina kahle kahle hayi ukuthi ngiloko kuphela kuningi ebengikwenza ejabudini bengiyindoda ngibuye ngibe umfazi mina
mara ngiyahlekisa
kahle kahle wena mfethu khona elinye idorobhanyana ungayita yamile Jozi mfethu la bengihlala khona mina bengikhona ukudriver nencosi ngiye esipanini sakhe just ukuthi ngincele ngicela umuntu wesifazane manje ngisize ngiye laphayana the time isazala incosi before isibani yimi benginabukekisa ingane yebo bekanabukekisa ingane bekakhona ukuyinabukekisa ingane mara bengimfundisa. You know, I'm not trying to I'm not trying to be funny, but those are the little things esihlukumeza ngayo thina sihluleke ukukhuluma sithi uma sikhuluma umuntu afuna ukumamela lento athanda yona ngalesikhathi leso. There's a lot bra, even namanje angizwani nefamily yami because when I try to explain to them angithatha kwangazathi ikhanda lami alisebenzi yabona baningi abacanga ukuthi ngiyahlala angihlali ngiphile saka but I'm trying to save my skin because now some other people are behind my back and then the only way to get off this whole ukuthi ngikhulume iqiniso ukuthi ngikhulume iqiniso ngingaze ngilimale mina ngilimalela into engekho ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi vele someone is trying to hurt me and whoever that's trying to hurt me it's the very same muntu lebengicanga ukuthi umngane wami but she's using someone else indirect uyayibona ngoba vele kuyafana kwakusola kubonakala nje nginama-warrant amangaka amanye kwaze kwa-expire lena lokoma protection and whatsoever uma ngiyalana obhizi omunye angitshela ukuthi why uma ngalela umfazi kuyabanda ini kube bekuyimbo kuzoshisa ngisho and mina kube bekuyimo ohamba mhlupha ngimhlukumeza ngengane kube ngafahlala uyayibona lento kahle kahle thina madoda yikuphi okurayt ekufanele sikwenze. That is why mina even manje wena mfethu yabo after this thing I'm willing ukuthi kwangazuthi ngingaba na this platform whereby I can open a class whereby for boys and men. You know, I can tell you a sad story. Ngicela ukuphuma kancane.
Okay.
Mina ngathi mangizalwa awuthiyami at the age of 6. My mother passed away right in front of me.
Okay.
She was stabbed. Yeah, apparently ekuseni around about lesikhathi lesi sihleli ekhishini ngidlala nomntana sekhaya, the last born, my little sister.
You're 6 years old then?
When I was 6, which was 1984.
Okay.
Uma ngidlala nosisi wami sibuke lapha ngasekhishini. There was one guy walwa ne-old lady ngibhekile. Fighting. I watched the whole fight. No. I watched the whole fight. This guy wathatha umese ngimbhekile balwa wamgwaza ngimbhekile was shot. Yes. I was the first person ukuthi ngifike kuye. Just imagine because bengumntana. The first person ukuthi ngifike kuye ngimphendule because umagogo bekavukile aye uwenza utheza. Totally ngikude. So lento leyo awuthiyami okay ukuthi azange ngi-attend my counseling or whatsoever. Give me it didn't matter because you know what? Kwangakha uma bengilokhu ngikhula ziningi izinto engizifundile empilweni ngikhule ngenye indlela so bengeke ngikwazi mina ngeke ngikhona ukuhlukumeza umuntu wesifazane kulento lengibone yenzakala kumama and manje mamela dog uyazi lo muntu engikhuluma ngaye madam ne kwasekuqaleni uyakwazi ukungithuka ngomama and mind yena iminyaka yakhe iqala after umama msekahlonile. Do you know ukuthi uyakwazi ukungithuka angitshela ukuthi umama wakho waze wafa ngendaba yakho wahluleka wena ukusave umama.
Oh, you were 6 years old, that's what you're saying.
And besides yena uma 86 or 87 85 how does she know my mother? You know, how does she know like izinto ezifana ngalezo and I was 6 years as you were saying how was I uyabona ukuthi lo muntu usuka azama ukungivusa ubuhlungu ugubha lento leya uyangivuselela
so sorry kubamba blong if you found out manje sokukhulile bathi why that person stepped in mali
mfethu kwenzeka same thing namanje still angazi ukuthi umuntu washona or kwenzakalani
but you never found out information to why
azange bebalwela ini I tried bro I tried a lot mina even namanje surname yami ngisponsor uthama kusi my genuine surname ngizithu ngumali mkhaya
sponsor kama sisakho
lese ngisponsor I was once adopted bro yabona ukuthi ngibuye ekudeni ngempilo mina ngike ngahlala nomlungu uthiyami yeah usho ukuthi manje ugcina kwami ukuhlala nale ngamla lena ngagcina ngaya koSpana ukugcina kwami kuSpana kwakhe that was 2020 nakhona ngiherezela le mali ukuthi ngihambe ngiyokhipha ikhadi lami le license ngathi uma ngicela ukukhipha le khadi ngakhwela kubona ngayijuza I mean 2000 I think 99 2000
I think lena idinga episode yayo i1.
Exactly. That is why I was just giving you a rough example.
Yeah, understand ukuthi
umuntu wesifazane.
But mina I thought mhlamba we don't know. Mina I thought ukuthi yabona a person yalo I'm so sure ukuthi ugule your mom, they step your mom in front of you. Lo muntu lona wesifazane akuchukuluza kufake lapha kule khona leya. Ungabi that person, there are so few people like you.
I'm not that person.
Action. Because the muntu lo very I don't have any parents. Kahle ngimbulala ngisinayo ukhuluma into esona. Understand?
Yeah, ile nto ngisho kube bengifuna ukumayina. Kube kudala ngamayina. Mara manje kunenye into wena mfethu ebalulekile empilweni. Knowledge is power. And apparently some other people they don't understand ukuthi knowledge iqala kuphi. Isiqale se-knowledge bro. Now ungaba nenkinga. People they don't understand. Patience is the whole key. The main key. Yabona, before you get to your knowledge, you will have to have a little bit of some patience there, and then you will get some of your knowledge there, and then from there, that's where you will notice, oh, this is an abusement, and this is an emotional abuse, this is physical abuse, and this is whatsoever. And then by then, that's where you will need to channel yourself. Now, where do I put myself? That is why I'm so interested when I'm fit. If I can only be given a chance, if we bank granted that opportunity to have some certain classes whereby I can be able to teach and let people understand, especially the guys out there who are under this kind of situation whereby the wives, they don't understand their language because umuntu yakumcele ukuthi sweetie ngicela ungenzele just this coffee here. They won't understand ukuthi menzele coffee. Abuye alenze coffee mara after about 15-20 minutes yabona. And anga understand ukuthi le 10 minutes le ayidelayile kancane se already kuwe iyakulimaza. And some other people they don't understand ukuthi in a marriage there's this unending negotiation, and a negotiation does not mean you will it's a battle whereby you will have to win the negotiation. No. One has to understand each other so that we will come up with something which will be a solution, something will be a winning.
But aren't you thinking, my brother, would say sometimes that's the reason I don't know what you believe in.
If you believe
and you being patient about and because I think we just fell in love just like that.
And then
because I think my red flags, that's why I told you even first episode. My red flags abe khona stars mhlambe nawo ignore lamanye khona. I know they will change along the way. I don't know.
There were not that much. Ama red flags la payana the way bokungakhona wena mfethu. It was just a straight honest living. Well, there were few things, but those things apparently zivele after mina sengenile emgodini ukuthi vele we are pregnant now. So then kulapho ke le ntuba iqala ukudlala khona. Sisters, she's very smart. But mina azange ngibe smart that much. Into yangisiza ukuthi ngibe na that patience. Ngibekezelile njengoba namanje ngisabekezele wena mfethu yabo. Ngilinde ukuthi la siyomthola khona or laba yomthola khona uma batholile. Ngithola ingane ibuyele esikoleni. Kuphela ngiloko angifuni lutho kuwe. Uyabona? Uyabona mina uma ngathola ingane nayo ibuyele esikoleni, ngaze ngithi lokho kuboshwa lokho into uyayeka nje. Uyabona? But then now
mara kumthando sometimes.
No, dude, hey, say, ngomunye umuntu mina uthaba. Ngomunye umuntu.
When is that day I say I'm no longer loving this person? Niphi lelo langa lelo wathatha decision ukuthi abona lo muntu angimthandi.
Uyazi uthando kimi kuloya mntana laphela kuphi. Ngalesikhathi already sengicala ukuyoprove my innocence. Kubo. Bokuqala ngaqala prove my innocence ngihamba ngihlala naye ekhaya e-Israel. Sahlala 2 years ekhaya. Wahluleka saphuma. Sayohlala eflatini. Wahluleka kuba disciplined lapho. Saphuma. Sayohlala eThembisa. Wahluleka.
Uhlulwa yini? What's wrong with her?
I-behavior le yokufuna ukuthi yazi le behavior leyo out yami kunokuhlukumezeka ukuthi ayizi abafazi basihlukumeza njani ngitshele wena mfethu kahle kahle ngizokubelisela le nto leyo ake sithi awukho sesipanini uhlala efletini ubhatala something like 5 grand a month i-petrol spend like something like 3 grand a month i-grocery ni spend something like 3.5 3.1 or so
u-15 plus every month nibe nayo
uyangithola uthi yami usipana wena uyi-1 yena akasipani uhleli nencosi endlini na uvuka ekuseni wena uyesipanini ubashiya embhedeni balele okay
abaprepare lutho ngokwenza iminethi
awuthi yami thatha ishawa uyaphuma nawubuya late kunjalo ngoba inhlanhla ukuthi uthole lela plate li-clean but liyoba clean ngoba naku kusho ukuthi badlile mina but nangabe boshiye ukudla lokuma-take away nyana then uzolithola njengoba nje mara uma ngifika same time ukugibela emotweni hayi piece of cake inside
uyaphi emotweni
siye mall siyodla masiceda ukudla siyabuya sekufanele kugeza izitsha endlini sekuba inkinga sekufanele ngicabane sekufanele kube khona lo munye umuntu lo ayinawo sekufanele ngicabane kufanele kube nalo washayo kufanele ngicabane wena awuthi akukhoni ukukhuluma lokho lengaphandle you can't tell someone because lokho lihlazo lomfazi wakho you can't tell ukukhipha lihlazo lomfazi wakho mfethu otshela abantu ngaphandle you have to cover her
tell me
yes.
The people that they went to lobola for you where are they
aha weza kahle yabona ke manje ifike kahle bekufanele kuzibuze ukuthi hayi ndoda asangikhombile isithombe esiwani somshado
naniphethe ipoponto ngiyabona kanjani
nomshado waba kuphi besishadela kuphi I mean the honeymoon mabhasisi kuphi brother is not even a record you know why it's because I was under gunpoint for ukuseva lo small mina ngishadise awuthami so uyabona ukuthi inzima uyabona ngishadiswe mina ngoba even nabakubo efamilini singaya manje sibabuza ukuthi ubenile emshadweni yini bokutshela umshado wabani uthi wasisi wakho bokutshela hayi lo wasiwathi and sisters uke washada phambilini mara la ngiphethe amaphepha la ngakubonisa la bekathi ngishaya ngawe divorce abhala ukuthi ushade kayi-1 angimkhulumi kabi
wena nikashadanga ni-2
sishadile so i-2 yena
mara not in paper kanti ngani usushade sokwesi-2
sengisho ukuthi yabona nangabe nidivorce ne let's say
lo mshado wokuqala zange
udivorcile manje uma senidivorca nina kufanele kubhale laphaya ukuthi phela uyi-divorcee uyi-widow or you were once married or what yena ubhale ukuthi she was only married with me and whereas according to the record musina previous lo muntu ngathi bekathrow la ngisazi ke mina ukuthi lama fake papers lawa kwenzakala uyabona
ukuthi ujola natsotsi
in fact namanje ngisenkingeni angi-understand ukuthi kwenakalani ngoba kuko konke ngiyakubona mina ngize ngikhulume so ukuthi i-state encosi bengengize ngikhulume yonke le nto and state encosi number 1 number 2 ukuthi mase ngibona ngiyazingela abantu engingabazi and lokho sengiya-understand ukuthi man umqondo wami ube fast hayi le misebenzi le can you believe ukuthi nakule spanda kule shop le retailer le asebenza kuyo uke wangifonela ngelinye ilanga nge-landline 013 something wathi i-driver's license yakho soyikhulisile yini ngathi mina usho kanjani wathi phela la shop mina ngisipane admin I've got all the papers here I want to give you a job ngathi mina no I'm not interested I can get you someone ongakhona ukungena la ngahamba ngotshela impintshi yami ngathi kusemza wami iya lapha yaniyothola i-test leyathi athi sibone silinde ukuthi uyafona uke wafona yini namanje so those kind of movements uyayiva njengabe ngikuphaka namanje that's what those kind of little things that's how she operates uyabona ukuthi abonise omunye umuntu ngale ukuthi yena kanjani trying to be clean trying to be good whereas they uyabona ukubona uke wacomplaina kimi tot nale out le bengitshela ngayo ngithi bengizamela yona ispan kuyo uke wacomplaina athi yena kuyinkinga umntana le endlini akakhona uba late esikoleni ngoba nakakekho umuntu okumvusa yena sekachiftile uhambile uyesipanini ngoba sininini unokubuya late yena uthola umntana angaphiyanga endlini bayomtshontshela izinto zakhe expensive laphaya
could we talk about that thing that first episode
you see yes exactly so now but uma ukuthi hey akabuye umuntu akamlethi. So now these are the kind of things la sihlukumezeka khona lokho kuncane abafethu they don't understand, and there's a lot more because kunobu recklessness lapho ngaphakathi yabona. Yeah, this is just life on its own. But angeke ukuthi uvuka uya ekuseni espanini uvuka wena so usuku uma uhlukumezekile somehow awukho free u-stressed ukuthi endlini ngiyobathola kanjani. Ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokuthi uma uphuma endlini wena bakufonele basespanini bathi ama-pampers aphelile mara akukhona la ngatholakala. Ujika ushaya imoto all the way from Sandton to mhlawumbe uye Force. Yeah, ngifikelela ngikhiphe ngithi mina hawu ama-pampers uma uthi uyabheka uthole mhlawumbe akhona laphayana i-option ikhona ukuthi angayothenga. Yabo ukuthi ngichaza ukuthi uyahlukumezeka into lencane.
Ubili wakubhamu because abanye abamfazi kanti baqhubuleka wena ufuna ushaye yena agcine yena akubona usolo nawo umshaye yena sekashaya wena.
That mina uke wangishaya kayi-1 ngelipani la yabo mara nakhona bekangishayiswa yini wangishayiswa ukuthi siyakhuluma akanginaki yabona. Iya mina ngiyakhuluma naye akanginaki ngendaba zefoni ngalahlela lokho efoni leni sengishayelwa lo ukuthi manje
ifoni yakhe
yami futhi into efana leto yabo ukuthi into encane leto kona ukuthi umuntu ahlukumezeke wena mfethu yabona. That is why ngithi you can do anything bra nangabe ukuthi uhleli nomuntu uzama kuvikela lento oyithandayo kahle kahle laphayana mina bese nginaye ngoba bengivikela lentwana hayi ukuthi uthando lukhona cha. That is why kwasekuqaleni ngithe kuye nekule 9 months gcina lo mfethu nawe uthi nje ngiba njalo. Do you know ukuthi mina le out izala ngila duze yeah that's small from first day out yami nginje la buka ke ngikole interesting story ne same day yazala uboy. I mean before yazala ngay4 wathi my sister umaqala umhelo ngaphuma estradini ngabuka ngoba bengingakanamoto leso sikhathi ne ngaphuma estradini ngakuvela itaxi ngayimisa ngayihlisa udriver ngathatha my sister ngamfaka phakathi lapho bazange ngehlisa udriver sahamba sathi masifika ngambona driver slow ngayihlisa steering ngamise itaxi angisho nambeni ngengarela ngayihlisa udriver ngafaka my sister phakathi ngayishaya imoto sathi masifika esibhedlela ngangena nama-passenger esibhedlela mina uthi uma yozala intwana ngayifaka better goa khishwe gymnastic. Yeah, from there ngathi driver buyela nayo ikhumbi yakho mfethu la fereke ku-easy ngoba cishe bebangifustana ngike ngathesha la yabo. So still nalapho wabuya wangena izithanyana khona nekudala yabona wangenzela the way angenzela ngakhona mfethu ngimplanta.
My brother, what bowuthandana lapha lo mfazi ngoba ngathi ma-problem nje kuphela from first day
kona kwaba inkinga mara mina ngabambeka njengoba ngisho ukuthi bengeke mina ngize ngiyekelele le ntwana. Into mina engenza ukuthi ngibekezele ukuthi bengiseva le ngosi naye bengilokhu ngimtshela ngithi awungasabi uyakhula lo mjika unless umunye khona ukuthi umreverse iminyaka but uma yakhula yaphambili you will do something right in front of him and not even once but more than once that will prove ukuthi wena ungenza enyini ngiyahlukumezeka and ngihlukumezeka nalo mjika and vele kwendakele lokho.
Maye ungathini naye athi nami ngifuna ukukhuluma story sami lana sive le story sakhe different nalesa kakho.
I'm happy. Mina I've got something yabona nangaba akhuluma istory it's fine angisho kufanele kube nabafakazi yes no yena uma ngakhuluma iside lakhe then I'm happy. That's it. She's being honest. She will be honest. Mina whatever la konke la uhambe khona le besihlala khona unama-witnesses wakhe the very ngiyovela nabo same nami ngize nabantu nako now something in black and white I will bring it, it's fine, she must come. Nginankinga mina.
So nakunyalo niba lethuba nangiyena ukhona nawe ukhona la ungathini
it's fine.
Ungathini kuye nje mabuka emehlweni
mina ngamtshela ukuthi ngicela ulethe inxusa uthi yami ngakutshela I mean my sister and ngamtshela kudala ukuthi wena njengoba uphuma ngale gate the next thing angilindele mina it's a brown envelope leyokuthi sesiyadivorce mara into eyenzakalayo ugijima atshela abantu ukuthi mina ngifuna imali yakhe ukuze ngimdivorce. I don't understand how does that happen. Does that happen? Kuyenzeka lokho.
So wena umsevile ngamaphepha divorce
bengaka now kona kumseva bengisengakamsevi yabona and bengomseva ngimbona kuphi angimkhulumisa ngisho
ngani phela bathumela abantu bomseva
exact okay okunye lokhu ngishaya ngaleso sikhathi leso inyuko namfethu yokuthi ngibheka manje ngimseva ngisho sengibheka uhlala le ngihlala le yabo ithi ngilungise into zami namfethu nami ngale jardini ngibhizi ngaloko ngibhizi ngabo yabona impilo kuziqhubeka ngisho sesekugcina ithi hayi ngizobona ngihlanganise lama cent wakhe manje sengiyabona vele manje kufanele ngimseva and kahle kahle uma yovela athi ufuna sikhuluma then it's fine ngobe ngiyogijima mina ngibuye nabo baba beme la kuze mhlambe what if uzalana uzanento zakhe angisathembi lutho athi what if nale mithi yesintu le mhlambe khona izinto angifake zona sengisho ukuthakatha and ngapha into ebuhlungu awuthami mina njengoba ngichazile kwasekuqaleni ngilimuslim yena akalifuni muslim le ntwana ayimuslim akalifuni muslim waya ngamxosha ayohlala nami ufuna ukuthi ayeke ufuna sibelieve le ngithi
but you know ukuthi vele even imithetho bantwana bavamise ukuhamba nabomali esikhathini esiningi
uyazi ukuthi wayi yamoshakala kwasekuqaleni ngaliphi na lokho akusiwumthetho just ukuthi imoshakele ngoba umama wengane uyayincelisa ngisho and sijwayele ukuthi vele uma wengane uma izalwa ubaba usuka ngekho angisho umama uyo nakekela and then itime alisetheshweni yabo mara ake sibuke la umntana omfana nangu ubaba ukhona useduze lo yamfana umntana omfana uma yokhula ne-oleji lapha umfundisa ini mina ngi-out ngimfundisa ukuthi kufanele silime leyo uyomfundisa ku-diaper
mara ngani uyadvele like ilove liyenza kanjalo wena uyathanda uma uthanda isikhathini esiningi hlala kwenta kanjalo you notice that
exactly kwenzakala kanjalo but kungako ngithi mina imoshakele ekuqaleni sakhohlwakala thina amadoda ukuthi sinelungelo ey'nganeni and bakhona amadoda nabo ukuthi bakhona ukukhulisa ingane kahle
ngani that's why lesinye isikhathi kuvamise ukuthi thothi uma kunjalo manilwe ngalana ngala bathi ngcono ahlale kagogo ukuthi abe neutral khona kumbona noyithula understand
uyangichaza lapho kungako mina bengimbeke kuphi e-boarding school ukuthi usisters ngoba ulwa nami yabo akhona ukubona lo mfethu lapha nakaqedza ukumbona mbuyisele uyabona and lesa sikolo lesa awuthama ungahamba umhlaba wonke manje asikho isikole esibest ukudlula imasjid yeah nangaphandle kokuthi ngiyapolitika kancane nje ngicela ukuphuma wena mfowethu uyabona sorry kancane usamkhumbula uMiriam umama kaJesu
hayi mina
ibhayibheli oh okay ngifuna ukubekisela kancane yabo kuno umama Miriam umama kaJesu namfethu umama kaJesu before azala uJesu bekakhonza uNkulunkulu straight yena yedwa wazala uJesu wafundisa uJesu ukuthi akhonze uNkulunkulu yena yedwa watshela uJesu ukuthi afundise abantu njengoba uNkulunkulu asho ukuthi bakhonze uNkulunkulu bantu lesikhathi uJesu aphila belingekho isonto elibhale Jesus Christ nathi time sekafile ukuthi uJesu bagijima sebakha amasonto so ukuthi bakhonze umuntu yabo I'm sorry
but no, it's fine
yeah but mina lelami ibhuku lithi angingakhonzi enye into ngaphandle koNkulunkulu uyabona uNkulunkulu kuphela kwaye uJesu bekakhonza uNkulunkulu kuphela so then kungako ngithi mina la ngidideka khona sisters akasifuni ngapha le Muslim mina lengikuyo ngapha ufuna ukuthi ubafana aye naye kodwa ufuna ukumsebenzisa lesinto inyanga lethu na ukukhonza bobani bani yeah uyabona lento ukuthi iba nzima but mina ngisho ukuthi ngale nkolo yami bengicontrola ukuthi kanjani yabo ngoba umfana asimdecide uyazidecidela ngisho ukuthineni ethuneni ungena one man yeah uyabona so ke wena mfethu njengamanje angazi mhlawumbe
so uthi njengamanje una sisters nangulana wena ngicela kuthini ukuthi ngicela umntwana simbeke abe neutral la sitombona khona siyithukumbe kanjani
no mina the reason vele kahle kahle isimple lento namfethu sisters kwasekuqaleni bashile ukuthi incosi angeke azahlala nayo yazi why ngitshele nje simple thing sisters uhlala emichashweni angihlala emichashweni noma ngijifta ngihlala ekhaya or ngihlala kabantwana ekhaya kodwa yabona yes so then yena uma thatha umntana ufoster uza nabo stepfather lakini uyayiva lento kusho ukuthi ufoster le ncosi ukuthi le ibiza umunye umuntu nge-stepfather angazi ufoster ukuthi wenze baba okay mina bese ngiyakubuda ke lo mjida yena lo papa sisters ukuthi kufanele babuye bazokwenza lento kimi akahlukumezeki yena ngaloko na
manje you know as guys uma uthanda umuntu uthanda konke ne-package yakhona uma thini lesinye isikhathi njengoba nawe bekakwenza
but sengiyasho ukuthi uma uyi-out uyokhapha uCherry ayolanda ingosi emuntwini ashade naye basashadile abakahlukani ngapha ingane yomfana uyabona ukuthi ba wena mjida lo wenza lokhu uyahlukumezeka ngoba mina nawe nasidibana kusasa esitradini senihlukene nalo yabo komfazi wami uphakamisa ini ngawo yabo ukuthi sengiba nesilima lapho or ngiba noclever kubuhlungu ngaloko nje
loko vele ku-political nje kungalenye indlela ngokwakho cause lo muntu mungasemathandweni yabo uhamba ne-flow so ngifuna sikhulume about sesiyivala sikhulume about this thing yalo msebenzi lobo wenza uthi nyalo uyabuya uyabackfire namaphoyisa ngathi afuna ukubopha
not amaphoyisa ukuthi afuna ukungibopha there's no police afuna ukungibopha no angina-criminal charges into eyenzakalayo
yeba
it's into eyenzakalayo wena mfethu akusiyi ukuthi amaphoyisa afuna no it's just abantu esidlule kubo kulesipani lesi yabona and tot nayo lo sisters isebenzisa same labantu labo bekasipana nabo ukuthi mina ngithole lesipani lesa ngibo phela abantu laba bafike bangikhipha esontweni that is why ngikushoti ngibule kufanele bangikhawathe and kahle kahle naye lo munye lo my sister lo ngisho yena lo weliphoyisa bebana ama-badge bonke uke wafika wangitshela ukuthi mina ngingahamba umhlaba wonke alithi iphoyisa lelizombopha ngidibana naye kwenye ishop yabona ukuthi mina ngisahamba estradini nothami yabo ngigcoke njani sho ukuthi manje ngigcoke njenge-security ngigcoke njengelisotsha ukuthi nami sengilinde noma ngabe yini ukuthi vele kahle kahle kungilokho.
Did you ever find my phone call basibakufuna kuma?
Ngitshele 99 straight sekudibana wathi wena ngiyakutshela ngeke and bengihamba nale out yami le enye ngitshela ngayo ukhuluma nathi ngisho noma ungahamba utshela wonke amaphoyisa la ukuthi wena ngoba ngathi na-system lento osisa wena uyabona ukuthi ma-wrong ningena njani indaba zami nomuntu osendlini nengane yami wathi noma khona hamba utshela noma ungakwaphi amaphoyisa ngeke uze wende lutho wena ngizwe yabona.
So uyafisa kumseva ngemaphepha
yeah,
the matter of what?
Of izaka mfethu hawu ala kakuthiyami kube benginayinyoka kube kwamanje kwamanje yabona just manje I'm so happy ukuthi my sister lo sikhulume nayo over the phone yabo uthi ngihlale nginawo vele ngihlale ngina everything konke nako lokama-protection order nawo lama-warrant of arrest kula ebhekile sengize nginoscope namhlanje sengenda ukuthi noma umuntu mhlambe
bathi nawo lama emakhophi for in case ukuthi angalahleka lawa ngoba never know.
Sensitive.
We never know.
Obvious, I have to.
No many emakhophi because we never know.
So uyabona ukuthi finally that's why ngithi mina bese ngisabela impilo yami and kahle kahle lento le akusi njengoba ngisho ngithi kulokhu hayi ukuthi mhlambe it's just ukuthi sengifila ngizwa lobuhlungu ukuthi bafowethu baningi uthola umuntu bathi ufile nomfata simangale ukuthi kwenzakale kanjani singaboni thina and nabo bona basekarini nenqosi bahamba kamnandi uthi wena this is a happy family uze ufise nawe kwangazini yabona kanti hayi akusinjalo siyabuya ojama kulalwa lapha endlini uthi umbona shayisa ngo-2:30 athatha i-newspaper ayifake ekhwapheni mara endlini yongena ngo-8
sababona nama-box store everyday
exact basaba ukukhuluma
baze banebhili e-box store monthly bill abayibhadala every month
abahileki yabo so mina ngicabanga ukuthi njengoba manje kule incident le njengoba vele kwenzekele kanje wena outcome njengoba ngizama ukuthi I'm trying to get healed here and I'm trying to heal someone if uyabona we helping each other we should work as a team. Sisters, it's not all about whatsoever. She needs counseling. I think she needs serious, very serious counseling. Yeah, I think she definitely. She does.
Drugs.
Well, not drugs. No. Yeah, just
But weed musayikwenzi so.
Iweed ayikwenzi so kufanele ngabe mathona. Angisho ukuthi ngimkhuluma kabi yabona. Angisho vele.
Mara akabhemi lo kunye manje.
No. Aye. Next. Just
you don't know.
And drinking. Well, yeah.
Yeah, because lenye umuntu angomkhulumela phela ukuthi ngiyabona.
Exactly. And drinking and whatsoever.
Yeah.
But manje enye into engibhekile ukuthi yabona counseling wathi iyasiza.
But wena uyanga Msinabo usizakele kanjani ngoba yankansela?
Okay, mina it might happen ukuthi I'm one of those lekufanele bakhansela abantu. That is why ngikhonile.
Wena usikhanselile but awukhanselwa nomunye umuntu.
Yes, the reason ukuthi ngikhona ukuzikhansela now even nalento esiyenza la it's part of the counseling.
Yeah, it is.
Yes, so now for me to counsel someone or to help someone, it will be very much easy because then I will understand. I can be able to put myself in their shoes because I've been there in so many different occasions and situations. Ngibona okukhulu ngoba kuningi ngibonile ukuthi ami ngiphile enye impilo, uyabona.
So in last masesiyivala uthingani yini okuthingako manje? What help do you need? If someone otobuka lelo yini isito lokuthi makathi uyayiva le angakunceda ngani?
Yeah, mina wena mfethu njengoba bengishilo just ukuthi vele uyakhumbula my sister sesiwo yabo soyilungisa kahle. Lokho bengifuna njengoba ngisho if I can get this help ngiphume kuyo my sister lo nempilweni ingosi ke lapha ya never mind ngiphumile kuyo uphumile kimi mara ingosi ayihlale safe esigela ngifuna ingosi ibuyele back to esigela yabona ingosi kufanele kubuyele esigela nomntana uhlala kahle boarding school that's it.
So who's paying the boarding school?
No, me. It's easy futhi emasjid. Emasjid kufanele ukuthi mahhala le mali esibhadala incane kakhulu lapha. Laphana yabona. And emasjid bafunda ngoNkulunkulu. Ekuseni uma bavuka baya kule sikoleni lesi sesijwayelekile sethu. And then afternoon they go back to the school again. But that's a religious school and it's just perfect.
So nyalo wathi ngandisa kafundi wena?
Umntana uyofunda kanjani?
Mhlawumbe ufunda kulesinye isikole umfake lesinye isikole yena.
Which school do they take umntana ngale term leyo? And which school do they take umntana ngaphandle kwe-transfer? Ngaphandle kwe-report?
Ngani usho ukuthi my sisters so khohlile kanti kusho wena?
Yeah, ukuthi unkula.
Umthembu.
But noma ngaba ntswembu this time it's something else, you know?
Asivale bakudala bakudinga lapha yakho.
Yeah.
Siqhubeka kuningi kwakho kuningi kwakho.
Uyayibona? Ngishilo ngathi beat.
Bafuna ukusiza umfowethu nani more than welcome. Udinga isizo mfethu, udinga isizo ya. My brother, one love.
Ungaze ngikhutshwe la ndleleni. Athi sengihambe ngivika man.
Nje zohamba kabuhlungu.
Endoda
ngifuna sigqoke semuslim, yabo?
Ngivele bengigqoke kona nini my sister wazi wathi endoda kanti wena ngathi hoy ufuna ukungithola ngelinye ilanga ngizidlalile
inkulu. Yeah, shaye Muslim vele. No seyivala.
Yeah, and before siyivala man. Mfethu for sure now you will help me out on this.
Yes.
We just need maybe kufanele sibe ne-channel nyana lekwangazi ukuthi lethi sidile ngalokufundisa. Hayi ngalokuthi umzala u-experience 1 2 3. But for that siyazi isikhathi sakhona.
La siyazi mfethu yonke into inesikhathi sakhona.
Uyangithola? Baningi abafowethu abalimele.
Awe.
Injalo.
Shap.
Done.